Everybody could use a little assistance now and then. There are surprisingly many devices on Amazon that make daily life easier and even pleasurable, from organizing our houses or flats to doing little modifications and lounging inside on a wet day. These 10 items, which include a waffle maker that is so cute and a personal reading light to cleaning gloves with built-in brushes, are absolute game changers. Not only that, but you can add everything on this list to your basket for less than $10, leaving money for snacks. Number 10. Leeson Cell Phone Stand. Taller and more photogenic stand, help to correct the text neck. This cell phone stand holder is in accordance with ergonomic design, providing you comfortable viewing angle which helps to fix your posture and reduce neck and back strain. The height can be easily adjusted between 7 4 inches adjustable range. The angle is adjustable between 5 degree 85 degree. Number 9. Gisulife Handheld Mini Fan. Combined with fan plus flashlight plus backup power bank function, Gisulife F8 Pocket Bear Fan would be an everyday carry essential fan to cool you off in hot day and is multifunctional to satisfy your diverse needs. Up to 21 hours cooling time in one full charge. Super long battery life allows you to enjoy it while traveling, commuting, working, and any other outdoor activities. This mini handheld fan is USB rechargeable through regular USB socket, laptop, power bank, or car charge. Number 8. Desk Fidget Kinetic Toys. Point 1. Kinetic Desk Toys has a helix groove milled the whole surface. Simply rotate it by hand to create a full-body optical illusion, almost magical effect. Number 7. Wolfsar Portable Travel Clothesline. It can be stretched up to 10-12 feet and strong and long enough to hold many clothes. Fix everywhere, easy to fasten by 2 strong metal hooks. Portable travel clothesline can be attached anywhere. Hotel, bathroom, backyard, laundry, RV, boat, balcony, or even attached on trees. Non-slip, no need to worry that clothes bunching up together due to weight or wind, and improves drying effect. Portable and widely used, great for travel, camping, outdoor and indoor use. Easy to carry, only weighs 7 ounces, you can put it in your backpack as it takes the least space in traveler's backpack, great for traveling, camping as well as home use. Number 6. Contax CMS 50 NA Pulse. Measures accurately and quickly SpO2, blood oxygen saturation of arterial hemoglobin levels, pulse rate waveform and bar graph TFT display. With rotatable multi-directional display. Screen brightness adjustable. The lightweight oxygen monitor is about 50 G. With the batteries, you only need to put your finger in the fingertip pulse oximeter testing chamber, the result will be shown. The Contax Oxygen Meter's fingertip clip use silica gel marl is soft and easy for a wide range of finger sizes, 20-30 hours battery life, automatic power off after 5 seconds. Number 5. Aluon Handheld Mini Fan. Aluon Mini Fan is inbuilt with first new copper-made powerful motor, which can support the blade rotated high speed and produce strong wind, applied fluid mechanical cover to strengthen the wind brought out by the blade. You can even feel the wind 1 m away from this small fan. The cute handheld fan with 2 adjustable speed will meet your different need. You can simply press the power button to adjust the speed, press once for low speed at 3500 R/min, press again for high speed at 4000 R/min. Powered by upgraded rechargeable battery, which can support the mini fan run longer than the same capacity regular battery, comes with the USB cable that compatible with any USB port, such as computer, power bank, regular socket. Perfect for indoor and outdoor use, the personal fan can produce natural wind to keep you cool when reading, doing sports, waiting in line and traveling. It would be your best partner in such hot summer. Number 4. Bottle Brush. For types of cup cleaner heads, designed specifically for different positions of cups. U-shaped silicone cup mouth brush. Clean stubborn stains around the mouth of the cup. Number 3. Stansport Folding Camp Stove. A backcountry breakfast isn't complete without a slice of delicious, nut brown toast. The Stansport Folding Camp Stove Toaster makes up to 4 slices of toast simultaneously, using any standard camp stove or small open flame. The Stansport Camping Toaster is made of durable rust-resistant stainless steel that will give you years of backcountry breakfasts. Number 2. Waterproof Lighter. These 2 lighters are also built with metal ring sealed cover and locking clasp. IP56 waterproof system allows them work well in rainy day and windy day. The Arc Lighter's flameless design and the Blue Jet Flame Lighter both have a function of wind resistance. A necessary tactical gear for the outdoors. Number 1. Wooden Docking Station. Multifunctional 3-in-1 charging station and organizer. Charge your cell phone and keep your daily use things at hand. The best gift for a man or woman, the desk will be more regular as you will not lose anything anymore. You can put glasses, wallet, key coin, etc. Easy to locate your all accessories: phone, watch, wallet and keys. 100% quality. Strong and sturdy. For making these stands we use only the best high quality solid wood.